Hey guys, how is everybody doing? Today we'll talk about the retail sales. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay. So today I will talk about the retail sales, about its impact. Also, we'll try to identify new potential trades and setups here live. And because yesterday I didn't had anything really good, and right now I waited for the economic data before going long or short on metals, on US dollar, Japanese yen or something. So Jack, hi, how are you? So risk disclaimer here, and please. I lost 100 bucks. It happens. Please, guys, read the disclaimer. Trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. And if you have questions, you can send an email to support. And don't forget that Learn to Trade will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. And Mohammed, hi friends, hi, hi friend, hi, how are you? Okay, so in less than 7 minutes or in 6 minutes maybe we'll have we'll have the retail sales, core retail sales, also Empire State Manufacturing Index, also later capacity utilization rate, industrial production. So high impact events, really important economic data. Right now the dollar index, it has moved sideways. Let's use also this level, key level 102.60. So sideways movement here in the short term. Maybe a potential range here. Maybe something like this. Okay, so right now we are right below this supply zone, former high. It is a good time to buy. I feel like gold is about to go long. Ibrahim, I will take a look on gold as well after I will in 1 minute after I will finish here with the dollar index. Okay, so dollar index, strong downside movement here, corrective phase, and let's take a look also on daily. So strong corrective phase. Let's use maybe here Fibonacci retracement to take a look. Yeah, it has failed to stay below the 50% retracement level, and as you can see here on daily, yeah, strong rally, and this could represent an accumulation consolidation maybe before trying to extend its growth. But if we'll take a look here, yeah, as I've said, right now we are at supply, right below this supply zone. But in my opinion, better than expected US data, or in line with expectation, but yeah, maybe better than expected US data could force the dollar index to escape from this pattern, to activate a potential larger rebound. And if this scenario will take shape, guys, then the US dollar will take the lead, will dominate the currency market, and I will try to catch a potential US dollar long if this scenario will take shape. So right now, in my opinion, the dollar index rallied in the short term, turned to the upside only because we had let's take a look. So the US reported higher inflation in January versus December, okay, yesterday. And actually, in line with expectations data, so the core, the consumer price index month over month, core CPI month over month, in line with expectations. One moment, guys. Hamid, hi, how are you? Should I buy now? What? I will not tell you what to do. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Ibrahim, I'm on a budget. Or you just wait. Okay, so higher inflation, guys. And as I've said in my analysis videos, market breakdowns videos, daily video analysis, I've said that higher inflation reported by the US could force the Federal Reserve to take action again in the next monetary policy meetings, to continue hiking rates. So as you already know, the Federal Reserve delivered only a 25 basis points rate hike in the US dollar. Halil, US dollar Japanese yen, buy or sell? I don't know. I will take a look on that market as well. So please guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, your time frame, if you want to buy, if you want to sell. So yeah, and then I will try to answer to your questions, and we can have a conversation here. So yeah, higher inflation could force the Federal Reserve maybe to deliver, I don't know, a new 50 basis points rate hike. Okay, so right now this rally, and also the traders are waiting, maybe, or actually please take a look here. If you take a look on the economic calendar, retail sales, okay, is expected to report a 1.9% growth versus 1.1% drop. Okay, core retail sales 0.9% growth versus 1.1% drop. Okay, so the traders are expecting maybe positive US data, retail sales data, economic data, also Empire State Manufacturing Index. Also this is seen as a high impact event, so minus 18.2 versus minus 32.9. So also this is expected. Actually, the traders are expecting this indicator to come in also better compared to the previous reporting period. So right now, that's why we had this rally also here after higher inflation, in line with expectations, CPI, core CPI, and also right now only because the traders are expecting positive data. Please take a look also here, capacity utilization rate. Also industrial production, yeah, 0.5% growth versus 0.7% drop. So all these forced maybe the dollar index to jump higher, forced the US dollar to appreciate in the short term. Thoughts on gold, please. I will take a look on that market. 8% profit booked, 4 hour on GBP Japanese yen. Look for shorts and feeling balance down there. Ahmed, I will take a look on the Japanese yen after the economic data. After I will try to identify maybe something here on the US dollar. Okay, so also let's refresh the economic calendar. Yeah, less than 1 minute. So in my opinion, taking out and invalidating this supply zone here, a new higher high could bring us new US dollar longs, and I will try to identify US dollar longs. And yeah, I will talk about the Japanese yen as well. Gold, let's take a look actually on gold right now. So gold, yeah, about gold, why do you only give signals of L block and quant? What? Personally, I'm not sending I'm not managing the crypto channels, crypto groups, so I'm not sending trades on cryptocurrencies here at Learn to Trade. So yeah, better than expected data. Better than expected data. We'll send the data also into the VIP group. Yeah. So a 3% growth. Yeah. Also core retail sales. So if you have questions, unboxing on a budget, if you have questions about the crypto channels, about crypto trades or something, content or something, please send an email to support, okay? Because the person, I'm not managing those groups, I'm not sending. So better than expected US data. I will look for US dollar longs. Trade. So please send an email to support if you have questions. So better than expected US data. 3% growth, 2.3 versus 0.9%. Empire State Manufacturing Index minus 5.8, better than expected. Okay, so better than expected US data. Let's try to identify potential. So right now it has rallied, okay, and probably if of course if the price will close above the supply zone, then this will be invalidated. A new higher high here could bring us potential US dollar longs. And right now we cannot exclude also a false breakout here, guys. So we have this former high. We cannot exclude also a false breakout in the short term. Maybe the price could come back to retest the immediate support levels before extending its growth, because I've told you guys that the traders expected the positive data from the United States today, from the United States economy today. Okay, later we'll have capacity utilization rate, industrial production, better than expected data also here will force the dollar index to jump higher. Okay, USD Japanese yen 15 buy or sell, I don't know. Please be patient. If you want me to reply, please be patient. Okay, I cannot take a look on all markets in 1 minute. Bitcoin will dump as per this data. I'm right. But I don't know. I will take a look on all markets. So, but you'll have to be patient, to wait. So also here, Euro USD, it stands above this demand zone, so that's why I don't want to sell it right now. Only after maybe invalidating this demand, maybe on 1 hour, a potential rebound, and then only I will try to identify potential selling opportunities. Okay, or from this area, from this zone, if you'll have something like a rebound before extending its sell-off, because yeah. We have this demand zone, and as I've said, guys, the traders, the US dollar rallies right now, and rallied in the short term because the traders expected the positive US economic data. Also, British pound, US dollar, it seems that yeah, the price could invalidate, but also here I don't want to sell it here at market because it could rebound after this massive sell-off, guys. Okay, it could rebound to test retest, or to test retest supply zones or resistance levels before going down. Okay, before extending its sell-off. Also Euro USD, let's take a look. I will take a look on gold as well. Also here, okay, I don't want to sell it here with a maybe potential target here. Where should I place my my stop loss? Here. No, this is not a setup. This is not a good setup. So if I don't have a high probability setup and with a good risk to reward ratio, no, I will not place a trade. Okay, so because also the dollar index is at resistance, as I've said, is at resistance. Okay, it challenges the former high. Also it has for now it has invalidated the supply, but yeah, maybe personally I would like the dollar index to retreat a little, to drop a little after this strong rally, maybe to retest this zone or this zone, but this zone here, the upper medium line here, probably this former high, the demand zone here, and something like this will bring me really good US dollar longs. Okay, so that's why I have to wait. Okay, I have to wait for a retreat here here on the dollar index, right? Gold, I will answer to your questions as well. So gold is still under pressure. Yeah, it's under pressure. It challenges this demand zone. It's under pressure because the dollar index rallied, because the US dollar appreciated, right? So right now I'll wait to see how to react. Also gold here in this zone, demand zone, because let's take a look on 15 minutes. In the past, guys, we had this strong imbalance. Okay, we had this strong imbalance, sorry, here after this the sideways movement, boom, okay, retest and rally. So right now the price yeah, failed to stay above, the price of gold failed to stay above maybe these former lows, and it has invalidated here a potential demand zone. Okay, so right now we have a demand zone here. Okay, it has reached it, but I'll have to wait to see how to react here. Okay, because right now it has only it has reached this zone, it has rebounded, sideways movement, and yeah, right now it's still under pressure, under strong pressure, below the immediate highs and supply zone, supply area. So I don't want to buy it. Okay, I will buy it only maybe if I'll see or if I'll have confirmation here, maybe, or if the, but right now, guys, only because the US data came in better than expected, Euro GBP, What about that market? Please, guys, tell me what you are looking at, and I will try to take a look on that market, even if I'm not trading on that market. Better than expected US data. And if the US dollar, if the dollar index will jump higher, if the US dollar will appreciate, will resume its appreciation, then probably the price of gold could extend its sell-off. So right now, yeah, we are in this zone, in this area, but it could drop maybe also or only to approach and reach maybe the former lows. Okay, so that's why, yeah, it could drop towards this area maybe in the short term, but on lower time frames, then maybe this represented, I don't know, flag for something in the short term. But right now the markets are moving, and also gold, and let's take a look on silver. Yeah, flag, test retests, probably a new lower low here could activate a deeper drop. So yeah, the price of gold could extend its sell-off. Okay, so please don't spam on my chat. Ahmed, I've said I will take a look on the Japanese yen. Okay, so S&P 500 will dump or moon after this data. Personally, I believe that if the dollar index will extend its growth, okay, if the dollar index will extend its growth despite a minor retreat or something, if the US dollar will appreciate, then probably the yeah, let's take a look. Maybe we'll have a sell-off or a downside movement on US equities. Okay, personally, I'm using this correlation when the dollar index is bullish, when the US dollar appreciates. Personally, I don't want to go long or to be long on currently analyze Bitcoin. Can you please wait for several minutes? Yeah, this is my opinion. Or actually, when the dollar index rallies or the US dollar appreciates, I don't want to be long on US equities, US 30, so the Dow Jones Industrial Average. But right now, sideways movement. I really hate this sideways movement. Please take a look here. Okay, and I don't want to sell it here above these demand zones. Also here, yeah, false breakout with great separation through this this supply sell-off, rebound. Yeah, it could maybe it could come back down in the short term or something. Yeah, but only if the dollar index will jump higher. Yeah, US 100 as well. Maybe here, let's take a look. Maybe we have something like a potential opportunity, selling opportunity. On US 100. Yeah, so right now we are, yeah, it has developed a potential flag here, but if we'll take a look again here on 1 hour, I will delete all these. It seems like strong DXY plus good data for index results in sideways for S&P. Yeah. So personally, I will take a look on lower time frames, but first of all, I want to, yeah, I will keep an eye on that former high. That former high, okay. Yeah, sideways movement in the short term also because the DXY moved sideways also after the inflation data. What? Sorry about that. It seems that my browser. Okay, so better than expected US data, and later we'll have industrial production and capacity utilization rate. Yeah, as I've said. But right now, let's keep an eye here. Maybe I would like the price to take out or to invalidate this demand, to come back to retest it, to retest the supply before extending its sell-off. Because here I don't want to trade maybe like this with a sell stop if the price is still above it, because it could register only a false breakdown and then it could rebound. I want to see a bearish closure below this former low, and maybe I will look for potential shorts here. Yeah, on US 100, maybe this will be the market. But I've told you guys that the DXY is at resistance, okay, 103.96. I've told you that I want to see also here a retreat before extending its growth, because I want to go long on the US dollar. Okay, so someone asked me about Halil, US dollar Japanese yen, buy or sell. I don't know. Right now it has rallied. Maybe it was a buy, sorry, maybe it was a buy here after this retreat or something, but yeah, after this retreat, strong rally, retreat, maybe to retest this zone here, this area. And right now, maybe I'll wait only for retreats, okay? I want to go long on the US dollar, so maybe I'll wait only for retreats, for the price to come back down, to retest support levels, demand zones before extending its growth. I don't want to buy it at market right now. I want to see a retreat, okay? So this is my opinion about US dollar Japanese yen, okay? So monthly looks very strong for DXY, so long term market could be in trouble. I don't know. Take a look at BTC, please. So okay, maybe I will I don't want to take a look on Bitcoin if you insist like this. I've told you that I will take a look on Bitcoin. I don't know what's wrong with you, because I cannot take a look on all markets in 1 minute. Godspeed Freeman, it may come down to retest prior resistance. What? Good morning, brother. Yeah, hi, how are you? Then why you are on video if you are not telling buy or sell? Because I'm not a financial advisor. When I'll have if I will have a setup, yeah, Abdul Basit, if I will have a setup, okay, a trade, I will place the trade in my real account, and I will share the trade into the VIP group. And it's your call if you want to follow a trade from the VIP group or not. Okay, so that's why, Abdul. Yeah. So right now I'm trying to identify potential US dollar longs, and if I'll have something, I will share the trade. Okay. People want to trade without setup. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I know that there are a lot of people who want to trade 10 times per day, or to place 10 trades per day, or I don't know, to place a trade without a stop loss, to place trades at market without having a setup, without having a good risk to reward ratio or something. But yeah. Okay, so US dollar Japanese yen, I'll wait for a retreat, as I've said. No, actually I'm analyst and trader myself, so I just want to confirm something with you, as you are my senior. But okay, we'll dump as per this data. I'm right, I don't know. Let's take a look. So when in my opinion, okay, in my opinion, and yeah, technically yeah, after this after what happened here, right, please take a look. Yeah, personally I'm using that indicator, okay, supply zone, a sell zone, supply zone, resistance zone here. So after taking out 22,314, okay, Moise Mughal, after taking out this this support here, okay, but it has signaled maybe a larger downside movement, but also it has reached here a potential demand zone or something, only because yeah, we had a strong imbalance, right? We had a strong imbalance here, but yeah, maybe when the US data comes in better than expected, okay, and when the dollar index rallies, the US dollar appreciates, then also maybe Bitcoin versus US dollar could drop a little or something. But this I don't know. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Maybe we can compare with the DXY, for example. Sorry. Let's compare with the DXY. Okay. So sell off here, and right now, yeah. So right now, you can see that maybe when the dollar index drops, okay, maybe Bitcoin rallied or something. And right now you can see that the dollar index rallied, and yeah, maybe we had this this sell-off on Bitcoin. It's not, maybe it's not a perfect, okay, it's not a perfect correlation or something, but yeah, if you want to use it, yeah, you can use it. You can use it. One moment, DXY, yeah, from here. Okay, so also, as I've said, right, taking out this support or invalidating the demand zone from here, maybe a signal that maybe we'll have a deeper drop. But right now, after this massive sell-off, it could come back to retest probably an imbalance here or here or here, the supply zones, before turning to the downside, okay, in my opinion. So this is my opinion about Bitcoin, okay, this is my opinion about Bitcoin, right? Because here, after sideways movement, we had an imbalance, right? So strong sellers, maybe the price will come back to retest these zones before coming back down. But yeah, maybe personally I would like the price to approach this zone, yeah, to approach this zone or this zone before going down. But yeah, correlation with S&P is better, yeah. That's why I insist on Bitcoin. Thanks, sir. Yeah, thank you as well. No, actually, I'm okay. Yeah. So my return to about what? GBP Japanese yen may return to about level, please. I will take a look on that market as well, but please be patient, and don't forget to like the video. Okay. I will take a look on, yeah, please take a look what happened, right? As I've said, that's why I don't want to rush, yeah, to jump in a trade without confirmation, okay? Only because, yeah, I've told you, better than expected US data, guys, better than expected US data, but maybe the economic data was already priced in, right? Because the traders expected positive economic data. I've told you also after we had also a rally after higher inflation, or in line with expectations, CPI, core CPI. So right now I'll wait for that retreat here on the dollar index before trying to catch a potential US dollar, sorry, US dollar long, okay? Okay, so let's take a look what happened here. Yeah. Okay. And also about gold. Yeah, I've told you guys that it has reached that demand zone, as maybe we have strong buyers here. So right now, yeah, I'll wait to see how it will react. Also gold here, because if it stays above the former low, okay, former low, and if it makes a new higher high here and then to come back to test retest, then it could turn to the upside. But this scenario could take shape. Because Freeman, like the video, people. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you all. So in my opinion, only if the dollar index will develop a larger sell-off, a strong downside movement, then we can look for gold longs. So right now it challenges this immediate high sideways movement. So right now, no, I don't have something really good here on gold. So I don't want to buy it right now because, as I've said, guys, the DXY could still extend its growth after a temporary retreat, after a temporary drop. It could retest the immediate support levels, demand zones before extending its growth. Okay. Great job, Olympia. Marcin, yeah, thank you. No. Yeah, yesterday I didn't have anything really good. Also, I was very busy with something else. And also, don't forget, guys, about that L2T algorithm. You can visit our website. If you want to, if you are interested in crypto trading, right? Also about gold, it could maybe only come back higher to retest the immediate resistance levels or supply zones before coming back down, right? But right now, a really strong imbalance in the short term on lower time frames. Okay, an imbalance. Right, sideways movement and boom, suddenly strong buyers. Strong buyers jumped in. So this is an imbalance here in the short term. But yeah, if the price will come back to retest it, then maybe yeah, we'll have a larger rebound or something. So this is the thing, because yeah, this is the thing here. I will talk about take a look on Euro New Zealander if you have time, please. What about that market? So please, guys, why it is so hard for you guys to tell me what you are looking at, your time frame as well? So I will take a look on Euro New Zealand dollar. Yeah, maybe I will take a look on 4 hour, you want on 5 minutes. Please, guys, make an effort to tell me what you are looking at. Okay, if you want me to reply. Also silver. Yeah, maybe I will look for shorts, for new selling opportunities after a rebound, and after ending temporary rebound. Okay. But right now, a pin bar, false breakdown with great separation. Really don't want to spend, but what are your thoughts on the imbalance on the monthly on DXY? Let's take a look, but no, I'm not. Yeah, so let's take a look. So monthly, 1 month. What imbalance? This imbalance here? I don't know, because it seems that here on this indicator, let's take a look on weekly. It seems that right now, only because the price, maybe we had something, we had a demand zone, but it seems that it was invalidated or something, or I don't know. What imbalance are you talking about? From April 22. April 22, but Now let's take a look on weekly. So April 22. Now yeah, this is, so this former low, guys, okay, former low 101.29 technically. So personally, yeah, I'm using this concept, but I'm not using only this concept. I'm not trading only based on this concept. I'm using this indicator. Maybe this will help me to identify potential demand and supply, support, resistance, really quick. And but I'm not trading only based on this concept, only this on this liquidity sweep or something, or on smart money concept. As you already know, I've told you several times that personally I'm using a confluence trading strategy. Okay, I'm using more than one tool or concept or yeah, technique or indicators or something. So yeah, technically, guys, yeah, it has reached this former low. It has registered only a false breakdown with great separation. And yeah, let's take a look also on daily. So yeah, this former low represented a downside obstacle, a support level, only false breakdown. We had here this potential candlestick pattern or something. Yeah, gap down. The price closed at the gap down, signaling that maybe the sell-off ended and that the dollar index could turn to the upside. So right now, yeah, we had support after this massive sell-off. Also, let's take a look. Williams, for example. So it was maybe strongly oversold here. So that's why we had this rebound in the short term. Okay, one moment. Okay, yeah. But right now, here on daily, guys, yeah, it's almost to hit the supply zone, supply areas here. That's why we'll have to be careful in the short term. Okay, so that's why. That's right. But yeah, it's still bullish. It's still bullish, and personally, I'm looking for potential US dollar longs. One moment, guys. Let's invite more members. Maybe. Sorry about my phone. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah, US dollar Japanese yen. I've talked about this market. So basically expecting the XY to retrace, then move further up. So right now, yeah, about the dollar index, we are at resistance. I don't know if the dollar index will retreat, but yeah, I would like the dollar index to retreat, because I would have maybe a good US dollar long if it will retreat a little to reach the support levels before extending its growth. Okay, because right now I don't know if I have a setup on the US dollar. Let's take a look. US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, let's continue to look for potential. Yeah, also here I don't want to buy. I don't want to buy it here. Okay, I would like to buy a retreat. Okay, if the US dollar Canadian dollar will retreat a little, yeah, US dollar Swiss franc. That's why. So that's why I want to see a retreat on the dollar index. Okay, also here US dollar Swiss franc in a supply zone, supply area. No, I don't want to buy it here in a supply zone, in a supply area. Okay. And yeah, actually, if we'll no, I don't like the price action here on this market. US dollar Swiss franc again, US 100. Maybe we could still catch something here on the US 100. But as I said, maybe I would like to see a bearish closure here, retest, and then boom. But right now, actually later, as I've said, we'll have the capacity utilization rate and also industrial production. So the economic data could maybe bring us something, and in line with expectation data or better than expected data could really help us to identify US dollar longs maybe. Yeah. So New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's see. Sharp movements in both directions. Maybe I would have. I would like the price because yeah, it has dropped below these former lows. Okay, former lows, and right now yeah, it tries to stabilize below this former low. Yeah, maybe I would like to see a retreats before extending its growth, extending its sell-off. Let's keep an eye on all these markets because yeah. Also here, please take a look, 1 hour demand zone. So that's why maybe I would like to see a rebound before going short. Yeah, I don't want to sell it here because it could turn to the upside, could come back to retest the broken levels, former lows or something. So that's why. So, but a retreat on the dollar index, it would be really good and perfect. Or if the dollar index will jump higher, then I would like to see here retest accumulation consolidation above 103.96 before extending its growth. Okay, but technically I've told you guys that after this amazing rally it could retreat a little. Yeah, it could retreat a little. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, on ascending pitchfork, yeah, I would like to see an accumulation consolidation here, test, retest, and then boom, towards the upper medium line. I would like to see something like this, and then I will go long on the US dollar. Japanese yen. Let's take a look on the Japanese yen basket, and even if I will basket, if I don't have a setup here, yen basket, I believe that I've talked about, yeah, I've talked about Japanese yen basket in today's market breakdown video, and I've said that after taking out, guys, this former low, dropping below this key level, so 79.93, 79.94. After taking out, it was a rebound was natural. It has retested the broken levels, and I said in the morning that personally I will look only for Japanese yen shorts. Okay, only for Japanese yen shorts and not for Japanese yen longs. Okay, so retest here, and yeah, I'm still looking. So someone asked me. So British pound Japanese yen may return to about. So I will take a look on Japanese yen pairs. Thank you guys for your patience, and please don't forget to like the video. British pound Japanese yen. Personally, I've tried to catch Japanese yen long in the previous days. So about Elizabeth, British pound Japanese yen may return to about 159. 159. I don't know. Okay, so let's take a look here. Yen baskets, 1 hour. Okay, it has invalidated this demand zone. We had a demand zone here, so right now maybe it could come back down, at least towards this former low, towards it could approach and reach the medium line. So if the yen basket will extend its sell-off, it will drop deeper than the Japanese yen could depreciate versus its rivals. Okay, and then probably we'll have a potential rebound. Ahmed, been waiting. Ahmed. Yeah, you wanted me to take a look on 4 hour British pound, looking for shorts and imbalance. Okay, I will take a look on 4 hour, looking for shorts and fill imbalances down there. You're looking for shorts on so 4 hour. Okay, you are looking for shorts. So yeah, right now we had this sell-off here. Because we had also that rebound on the yen basket. So 4 hour, yeah, it has reached here this this supply. It has failed to take out this resistance. So let's take a look. So 4 hour, yeah, it has reached the supply, right? Supply. Yeah, change of character in the short term. So maybe a reaction retest, but for a potential short, maybe it could be too late. Or yeah, if the price will come back higher to retest maybe this imbalance, this supply on lower time frames, or yeah, maybe we could still have potential short opportunities. But if the price continues to drop and if it reaches this demand, it could rebound. Okay, yeah, it could rebound. This is the thing here. So upon lower time frames, maybe let's take a look here. Maybe on this breakdown, maybe here we had an opportunity after maybe taking out this former low for a potential short. Okay, yeah, after also here maybe breakdown, but here on this rebound, maybe here we had maybe we had an opportunity there. Yeah, so right now also after this maybe false breakdown, great separation below the immediate low, I don't want to. Yeah, here maybe we had a new short opportunity, or on this retest here or something. But right now, yeah, and also on higher time frames, maybe we'll have to wait for, or actually I'll wait for a rebound, for the price to come back in this supply zone, supply area, and to develop, to print a new bearish pattern. So this is my opinion about British pound Japanese yen. Okay. And also about reaching 159. So GBP Japanese yen, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, it's premature. Yeah, it could reach maybe this zone, this demand zone imbalance to rebound, and only one moment, because I have to take a look on something. Yeah, as I've said, if the price will invalidate this demand zone to make a new lower low, then also we could wait for a potential rebound before going short again, and then maybe the price could approach and reach 159, but also only taking out this this zone. Elizabeth, thanks, thank you as well. Euro, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Yeah, it has invalidated the supply zone here. So this is the thing, guys. If I don't have confirmation, so here we had a supply. Okay, we have all these former highs as resistance, a supply zone. But please take a look. Yeah, the price jumped above these former highs, and right now maybe I will look for longs or something, because I've told you that the yen basket could drop if the price will test and retest here or test and retest here. Maybe I will look for longs in the short term, okay, because it has invalidated here the supply. So this is the thing. That's why I'm not trading only based on this concept or indicator, because also personally I believe that the price could take out or actually, yeah, when the price, for example, reaches a resistance, I don't want to sell, okay, because the price could take out that resistance, or when the price reaches a support, I don't want maybe to buy only because it has reached a support, because the price could take out that support. Same with supply and demand zones, with these blocks, okay. The price could take out a supply, could take out a demand zone, and could extend its movement, okay, in that direction. So this is the thing. That's why you need confirmation. I know, yeah, I'm talking a lot about confirmation, but this is the thing, yeah. This will help you to maybe to become a profitable trader if you will use a set of rules, if you'll have a strategy, if you'll wait for confirmation. Yeah. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. No, I don't have anything here. If you have questions, guys, because personally I will so someone asking me US dollar, Japanese yen, I've talked about that. I talked about gold. Yeah, we'll take a look on so Bitcoin, Euro, British pound. So I don't know if you are not telling me what you are looking at. S&P as well, Bitcoin. Take a look at, if you have time, Euro, New Zealand dollar, what you are, please tell me what you are looking at on that market. So Australian dollar, Japanese yen, please take a look also here, okay. This is why maybe I will look for potential longs for Japanese yen shorts, as I've said. So 4 hour, yeah, it has reached the supply. It was only a reaction. Maybe we had something like a short opportunity on lower time frames, like maybe 5 minutes. Let's take a look here. So but no, we didn't have, yeah, maybe here on this one, but we didn't have something really good, really good confirmation. So right now, yeah, but so it has reached, so retreat here, okay, sideways movement, boom, okay. Right now we had this this reaction, retest, new rally here in the short term. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I will look for something here if the price will come back down, but right now, yeah, we had this imbalance here. So right now it could only reach this zone before developing a new bullish momentum in the short term. Yeah, maybe here, yeah, we've missed something maybe on lower time frames. After this rally on this retreat, maybe to retest this here, we had something. So right now, I don't know if I have something really good on the Japanese yen. After this candle here, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Is your gold short limit still valid? Ingrid, is not my short, is not my trade, is not my pending order. So you'll have to wait for that trader to come back with an update. Okay. Personally, I will talk only about my my setups and trades. Ingrid, yeah. Ingrid or Brandon, yeah. So I don't know, yeah. You will have to wait for that trader to come back, yeah, with an update. Okay, I will not manage his trades. I will not talk about his trades or his setups. Every trader, guys, is it's different, has his own style or strategy or something. So, yeah, personally, I'm looking for trades in my own way, using my strategy, Confluence strategy. And yeah, okay, thank you. So DXY again, yeah, it's still there, still below resistance. Yeah, let's take a look. US dollar, Singapore dollar, for example, to see if no. It seems that I need a retreat or something. I don't want to buy it here because it could come back down, yeah. So that's why. US dollar, South African rand, for example. Also here, maybe if it will retreat a little. GBP, New Zealand dollar shorts. I don't know. I'm not trading on that market. Also, what time frame? What are your levels? Ingrid, please. If you are not telling me what your levels, your time frame, no, I don't want you to take a look on that market. If you are not telling me what you are looking at and your levels, your time frame, okay, it's important. Because maybe, yeah, we'll take a look on, yeah, British pound, New Zealand dollar, right? On 4 hour shorts, yeah, maybe I will go short or something. But I don't know, with a stop loss here or something, and maybe you cannot afford to take such a trade. Okay, maybe you have a small trading account, maybe you want something on 15 minutes, okay, a potential short, okay, and here I don't know, maybe here on 15 minutes you need a rebound, okay, you need the price to come back to retest this imbalance, or here before going down, okay. That's why, yeah. So if you're not telling me your levels, more specifically on ideal TP level, currently have mine set to 1.8990. 89.90. So yeah, it's your trade. Yeah, I will not tell you what to do, Ingrid. Please understand that I'm not a financial advisor. I will not tell you what to do, okay? Because this is not my trade. This is not my setup. It's your setup. It's your trade. I don't know your risk. I don't know your levels. I don't know anything, okay? So yeah, probably you are short already or something. But yeah. So when I'll have something and when I'll share a trade, I will share also the thought process, the rationale. I will share also my trade management. I will come back with updates. Yeah, gold at 1 hour frame. Thank you. What about gold on 1 hour? So this is my opinion here. Yeah, after on 4 hour, yeah, after reaching supply or here. Yeah, it has failed. Very important. It has failed here to make a new higher high. Okay, so we have a resistance, we have a supply. Let's take a look on 1 hour. yeah, from this zone, from this area, strong imbalance, but maybe on lower time frames, maybe I would have liked the price, or also after breaking here below the former low, dropping and closing below the former lows, maybe I would like here to see a temporary rebound before extending its all off, maybe towards this zone here. Okay, yeah, that's why. Cool dude. Okay. Okay, so US dollar, Mexican peso, US oil, yeah, US oil. So, yeah, now it's still bullish, strongly bullish. I'll wait to see how to react around this former high, because false breakouts could signal a potential retreat, and then I will look for US dollar longs, or taking out this resistance and closing and confirming its breakout here may signal potential further growth. Okay, US 100. This could be my next trade, maybe. Oh. My next trade, but maybe I'll wait for also for the US. Let's take a look. Forex Factory. It's an economic. What? Nope. Okay, so later, or no, actually we had sorry about that. Yeah, this is the thing, I've tried to answer to your questions. So capacity utilization rate worse than expected, was compared to the previous reporting period. Industrial production also worse than expected. So yeah, probably I want to see that that retreat here on the dollar index. Yeah, it has rallied, it has jumped above that former high, but yeah, I really want to see a retreat or an accumulation consolidation before I will go long on the US dollar. Thank you guys. US oil. Thank you guys. So so 4 hour, okay, 4 hour, 1 hour, maybe also I will look for a potential short here on US oil. US oil. One, two, three. The price reached the medium line. Okay, so you can see here that we have this static resistance 80.44. All good. We'll add more details next time. Yeah, thank you. So static resistance. Also, if you'll use pitchfork, a dynamic resistance here. Potential confluence area, sell-off, and sounds good. Thanks. Yeah. Did you like it, the video? Yeah, I know that you liked the video. So here, first rally. Yeah, first rally before this retreat. So that's why maybe I will place here an inside sliding line, parallel line. Okay, please take a look what happened. The price increased, retested it. It has reached the medium line. Test, retest, sell off towards the inside sliding line. Okay, so that's why I really liked pitchfork. So yeah, maybe in the short term it could come back to retest here, or it could try to come back higher. But in my opinion, taking out the support here and invalidating the demand zone here on 1 hour may signal a potential larger downside movement, and I will look for potential shorts. Now, I've told you that I've talked about gold. What about gold? Yeah, so gold at 1 hour frame. What about it? Are you long? Are you short? You want to go long? You want to go short? Your levels as well. Because personally, I've talked about gold today, and if you want to, yeah, if you want, you can take a look later on this video. I will take a look on gold. Are you a VIP member? If you're not a VIP member and if you want to join us, you can access the link below this video. Or if you want to join the crypto VIP group, the swing trading group. This is my opinion about US oil. Okay, a demand zone. Because we had this strong imbalance here, but yeah, if we'll go on 15 minutes, we have a demand zone here. So maybe I'll try to catch something from around the supply zone, supply areas or something. Gold, 1 hour. What about gold on 1 hour? Yeah, in the short term, it has developed a potential flag, a potential downside continuation pattern, but also using this indicator, or taking a look here and looking for an imbalance manually, or for something. We have something here, but once the price, I've said earlier today that once the price dropped below these former lows here, right now it could maybe it could drop deeper a little in the short term. Also, please take a look here. Only false breakout with great separation above 1,837. Okay, right now a range pattern in the short term here on gold. Yeah. Yeah, it's the same here. Okay, actually false breakdown, or actually sharp movements in both directions, but the pressure is still high, the bias is still bearish, and that's why I will take a look on lower time frames here. So after this false breakdown with great separation, it has signaled the strong sellers. Taking out support and making a new lower low could signal a deeper drop, so that's why, yeah, maybe I will have something also here in gold. I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know if I'll have a good setup, because if I want to, this is only it's only an example. Okay, it's not a trading recommendation or something. This is only an example. Okay, if I want to go short, I don't know, after a bearish closure, after a valid breakdown here, yeah, where should I put my my stop loss? Yeah, here, and with a take profit here. This is not a good setup. Okay, so that's why yeah, with a shorted market, but also with a stop loss here, but it could register only false breakdowns here. So that's why I want to have a really good setup, high probability setup with a really good risk to reward ratio, not something like this, 0.63. Okay, I will risk more than my take profit. So no, this is not a good setup for me. Okay. Yeah, because here at 1,825, maybe we'll have a potential target. Okay, around the former low, around, yeah. So that's why, guys. Okay, it seems that you don't have questions. I was live here for more than 1 hour. I'll wait for that maybe for that retreat here on the dollar index. Thank you as well. So I'll wait maybe for that retreat before going long on the US dollar. Okay, but also about longs, I will try to catch something only, and I will keep an eye also here on On the dollar index, I will try to catch something here towards this zone, towards this area, because we had this supply, this imbalance here. Yeah. Thank you, man. Good help. Yeah, we had also this here. So yeah, we'll have to be careful, guys. We'll have to be careful. That's why I want a retreat here, because I want to catch something like this, yeah, towards that zone, towards that area. Thank you, guys. So thank you, guys. I will come back with a US dollar long, maybe with a US 100 short, maybe with potential trades also on US oil. Yeah, I will come back with something later for the VIP group, for the VIP members. If you are not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video to join us. Thank you. Bye bye.